Hello, I'm Lim95, and today I'm going to be doing a short little tutorial video on this is Python. So instead of starting an idle, we'll be starting the Python shell. So here's the Python shell. But what can it do? To begin, instead of using hello world, I use hey all Scott here because I like Scott the Laws. So every programmer has to do this. There's something that prints something to the console. Can't speak, and I can't edit this out because my editing program is poop and does not decide to run, and I reformatted my hard drive that I was on, and crap. Anyways, there's some other stuff that you can do. For example, you can declare a variable. So we want variable var to be a string, namely string, and let's make num to be 7. Set true to true. So these are the primary data. Oh wait, there's also float. So these are the primary data types in Python. So if true, print var. So then it prints the string because true is true. And we can also type num plus float to get 7.7. So what if we want to combine these things? So first of all, you can't have var plus num. So you have to do var plus str num, which converts the number to a string. This can be done with everything. So var plus str true, which is string true. Now you get the point. So also, if we get set var, which is currently string, to something like 82, it's still a string. Also, we can print other stuff. I don't think that you can print boolean. No, we can. Okay, so if we want to do var plus 7, then that can't happen. If we do int var plus 7, then yeah, that's perfectly fine. And then finally, if we set our variable to be true, oh wait, no, that needs to be a string of true. I've been Python programming for over a year at this point. Okay, so then we type var and it returns true. If we do if var print var, then that doesn't. Excuse me, that was not supposed to work. Okay, well, I guess you don't need to convert that to boolean. Okay, so next up is just a simple program using variables. But first, programs. So you get def name param1, and then you can put as many parameters in there as you want, and then you put a colon. And then return ends it. Let's name this add. So we got add here. So running that doesn't work. So we need to do add 7 plus 8. And boom. We got 18. We got 15. So let's just do a quick little rewrite of our program to convert these to integers so that we can do something in a little bit with it. Because next up on the chopping block is this little command. If we set imp to input, let's just say, what's your name? My name is Lim95. If we now print hi, comma, plus IMP plus exclamation mark. Hi, Lim95. You said hi to me. You can't see it, but I'm pointing myself because I'm so excited. So, combining these two things, we can do add input number 1 and then input number 2. So number 1, 17. Number 2, 22. 39. So we want to integrate that into the program itself. Then we can just remove the parameters and just have x equals input number 1, y equals input number 2. And then instead of using those names, you just do int x plus int y. And why does hit Control S? Because I'm used to idle, that's why. So now, when we run the add command, number 1, boom. There is one other thing that I want to cover, and that is... So, everyone's going to have their favorite package to use in Python. Some of them may like tk-unter, which is graphical programming, but I don't like it that much. Some may like the wind sound module to make sounds on Windows. But my favorite is probably kind of boring. This one. It's just so useful. So right here, we're in the Python program. We're in the Python folder. C users. Let's go to the administrator account. Let's go to administrator's desktop and see what's on there. I already saw. In order to make this work, so now, boom. And actually, if we import web browser, yep. Boom! Wait, that's Microsoft Edge. Actually, Google search Microsoft Edge.inc. Not even Google, Bing. Why? That's me, though. Yeah, let's choose some add-ons. Yeah, those are perfectly fine. Yeah, I sure love Bing. Hold on, I actually want to send response now. Never mind, this is taking too long. But we can send a response in Python. Yeah, I sure do love Bing. There has to be like a text. Okay, so there is one other thing that could be useful. This command. In the command prompt itself. We do pi-m pip install. It has to be like a text to speech. Pi-m pi-m help. Pi-m. Okay, looks like I'm not gonna be able to show it off, but there is like a text. There's gotta be a text to speech engine for this thing. Like if you can't find something yourself, find somewhere else. This is not an example of that, but window height 500 turtle dot. So basically, yeah. This is Python. A lot of it's just me being dumb. And that's a good thing. Look, it's Python turtle graphics. Yeah, that's pretty fun, but you ever just math? I actually kind of wonder what. That's quite a large number. But does it? It's a little bit longer. Also, if you want to, math docs SQ. Okay, looks like they don't support it. X equals X. X plus X. X times X. And this is overkill. Ooh, I just went a little bit overboard. Times X. That is a long number. But we can make it longer. Ooh, that just made double X there. No, we can't have that amount of coolness. And it was just squeeze text. 9 lines. Ooh, yeah, it definitely looks. Yeah, this is. Yeah, I love this coding language so much. And before I go, let me just give a small demonstration of something that I've made using Python. No, just a simple thing. Some documents. My external drive. No, I don't put Python stuff in my external drive. It's in my Windows folder. Wait, there's a hidden folder in there. Leave it in language over like. Okay, let's just open up this OS. And actually, you know what? Who cares? Let's just delete this folder so I can show you guys this because I'm actually really proud of this. It installs this whole thing. So here's the OS core files folder. Now it's gone. Wait, I just closed Python. By the way, this is the Python idle where it like. Yeah. I don't want to save that because that was just me being stupid. Okay, so right here we have os.py. No. And then we press F5 to run it. And look at this. It's got graphical user interface things. It copied everything perfectly. Also, if you look in the Python shell. Oh no. Okay, but yeah, there is a new folder on my desktop with stuff in it. We got some OSA files, we got an install log. Actually, I haven't programmed anything in it yet. We got apps. Desktop probably should have been in apps. We got regedit. We got registry.osr. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Um, if you like the video, I mean, that kind of makes sense. It's the reason why there is a like button. Let's see here. What else is there? If you want to see more, you subscribe. And I just gotta switch capture card, so that's some Tetris. Anything else? Oh yeah, have a nice day. That's about it. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to make some more Python tutorial videos, I think. Bye.